Welcome to Wedia's tutorial on using our Portals feature. In this video, we'll walk you through how to create and share personalized pages that showcase your brand, product, or marketing campaign content in a powerful and visually engaging way. To start, go to the Portals section. Here, you'll have the option to view existing portals or create a brand new one. To begin building a portal, simply click on the Create button. Let's jump in and create a new page to feature content from one of your campaigns. Imagine we're highlighting assets from a campaign design for Forrester. Start by entering a title for your portal page and adding a description. You'll notice that any text you enter can be automatically translated into available languages, making it easy to connect with a global audience. Once you've set up your basic page details, you can start adding elements to make your page uniquely yours. Begin by uploading your brand logos and a cover image to establish a cohesive, editorial look that reflects your brand. Next, let's build out the content. In the Sections menu, you can add and arrange different content blocks that pull in assets directly from the DAM. You can create simple text sections or choose a mixed content section to combine images, videos, and text. Each section allows you to organize assets based on their use. For instance, creating a specific space for social media content, web-ready graphics, or campaign highlights. To bring in assets from your DAM, simply search by folder name, brand, asset type, rights type, or other tags. Add each selected asset to the relevant section on your page, customizing as you go. You might start with a banner and some introductory text, followed by sections with specific media files. As you continue adding sections, make sure to preview your page regularly. Our page editor provides a real-time view of how the final portal will appear to your audience, helping you spot any adjustments needed before publishing. When your content is finalized, you'll be able to set up the visibility options for sharing your portals. Under the Portal Visibility dropdown, you can choose to make the portal public, private, or limit access to people with DAM accounts. You can also manage permissions by adding team members with roles. For instance, you might assign some users as viewers with viewing access only, while others can be collaborators with permissions to edit and add content. Your audience can easily filter content by element type, orientation, document type, and other options. They can download individual assets directly from the portal section or, for convenience, download all elements from the page at once. Finally, to access your newly created portal, simply search for the campaign in the DAM. The portal will appear in the results, along with the relevant assets tag to your campaign. And there you have it. With Wedia's Portals feature, creating and sharing customized content pages is easier than ever, setting you up for campaign success.